Hello, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I got a surprise. I am unboxing the April Boxy charm. I know I'm a little late on doing this, but it's the unboxing of the Boxy charm. So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, and this is how it actually looks. So, alright, and this tells you everything that's in the Boxy charm. So let's go ahead and look at these. This is so exciting. Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Shimmering lip paint. Let's see. And the shimmering, I'll go over the prices, what they all add up to. Ooh, this is really cute. Let me see. It's actually, it looks darker in the bottle than on their skin. Look at how cute. Really, really adorable. I love this. I definitely, I'm going to keep this out because I'm going to be using it. I'm definitely going to be using that. And I got Bang Beauty. What is this? Oh, it looks like it was open. Bang Beauty. It is, oh, eyeliner. Chocolate gel eyeliner. Oh, nice. Look at how cute. Really, really cute. Look at what it... Really, really adorable. I like that. And it feels so, you know, smooth. Look at that. And a lot of pigment to it. Really like that. So I'm definitely liking that. Now I got it all over my hands. Now I got, oh, these brushes. These are Luxy brushes. I never tried these before. Look at how cute they're packaged. Loving that. How do we open these? They're like sealed. Okay, well, I'll figure that out, but they're cute. Some Luxy brushes. Love that. Now we got 2 dewy face masks. 2 of them. Really, really cute. Love those. I'm going to have to start hydrating. Oh, Night Tangle Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. Look how cute. It looks like it's like a book. That is adorable. Oh my God, look at how cute. Wow. Look at this. It looks like a little birdhouse and it has a mirror. Loving it. I'm going to take this off so I can use it. Ooh, nice. That is so cute. Let me do some swatches for you. Okay, this is Scoop. Wow. That's Scoop. That one is Scoop. Alright, this one is After Midnight. It's not as dark as I thought, After Midnight. It's kind of like almost a gray. This is After Midnight. Almost a gray looking one. This is All Nighter. Oh, this is like a black. Yeah, that's black right there. And this is Silver Spoon, which, look at that. Wow. Oh, I like that. It's like a dark blue. Really cute. And I Spy. It's like a chocolatey brown. right there. These are like really neutral colors, which is great. Flip out. Which it looks like that on the skin. This is, oh, this is pretty. Clutch. Really, really cute. Ooh. Look at how pretty that is. Clutch. And this is hide and seek. This is kind of a lighter color, as you can see it. I'm just gonna put it on here to show you because I'm running out of space. And that's another, like a dark blue. That's dark side, dark blue, dark brown. And this is I forgot, I can't even, very light shade. It's called Nocturnal. Nocturnal. And I don't have anything to wipe my hands on, so let me just do, the middle one is Pillow Fight. And then the other one is Break Free, which is more of a shimmery. So those are all of the shades, and they're really, 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 really cute. And that is it. And it comes with this. So that is it for my Boxy charm. Love all the products I got. I got the small box to try it out. And this is cute. I love this because it looks like a book. So let's go and see what these all run for. All right. The eyeshadow palette, it normally runs $35 just for this. I paid only $20 for this box. That's it. Or something like that. 20, 24. So that one is already pays for itself. The Luminous Eye Set 4-piece. Oh, okay. Luxie. This one runs for $21. $21. So we're already way past our chocolate eyeliner, $22. Dewy, let's see. Each Max is designed for maximum absorption. I guess I'm trying to, these two, one, just $24 a piece, I think. I think that's what they're actually going for, $24 a piece. Nourish skin from within using lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, highly concentrated botanical oils, extracts. Each face mask is skin quenching serum and impairing dewy anti-aging superfood like tea, rice, blah blah blah. So I believe each one of these are $24, which is like, I would not pay $24 for two of those, but just say $24 each on those. And this is $20 for the glitter lip paint. Let's put it on the lips. I have, this is really, really, I just love, oh, let me see what it looks like in the mirror. I like the taste of it. Let's see. It's like, it looks so dark and, I love this lip palette though. I mean lip palette, the eyeshadow palette. Got a little chip. And it's like so light on your lips. It's not too dark or anything, which it gives it a nice glow. So if you don't like dark lipstick, I'm loving this. Well, this lipstick is going to be one of my faves. Look at, very, very nice, especially for the summer coming up. So, all this, it's over for this box. Don't miss out on Boxy Lux, but this is way over the price. I mean, really good price, way over. So again, we'll recap: a palette, a lip gloss, brushes, 2 face masks, and an eyeliner. All for about, I believe it's $24 or $20 or something like that. But just around there. I forgot how much I paid. But all for that. Look at how cute. So that is a great little box. I'm impressed. This is my first one ever. So we'll see what happens for the next month's box. And then I'll show you that. I won't be as late. I was so sorry on unboxing this late. So this is the April unboxing. So that's it. That's all I got. And if you like it, hit like, thumbs up, share the video. Also subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the little bell right next to it so you can know my future notifications on what I post. And that's it. That's all we have. I like this. So pick up your Boxy. I don't get any credit for this, but I'm telling you, try this. It's cool. I love it. I like these. I need some of these smaller brushes for like the eyes and stuff. I love that. So that's it. And I'm going to try this eyeliner tomorrow. Chocolate eyeliner. And I love it because it has a lot of pigment. This is the eyeliner, okay? That's the eyeliner. So beautiful. And you know what? Because it's such a matching my eyebrow, I can probably use this as an eyebrow fill-in. Right? Why not? Alright, so have a great evening. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Love you all. Bye.